Ever imagine a spider sneezing? Picture this, a spider, but instead of simply spinning a web, it's sneezing out silk to snag its dinner. Intrigued? You should be. This isn't your typical eight-legged critter. Meet the sneezing spider. It's got the uncanny ability to eject silk from its mouth parts, not from its rear like most spiders. This unusual technique is not only fascinating but also efficient. Imagine the surprise of a flying bug, expecting a clear path only to find itself ensnared in a sneeze-made web. It's nature's own twist on the classic gotcha moment. So next time you see a spider, give a little nod of respect. You never know, it might just be a silk-sneezing marvel of the natural world. Remember, not all web weavers are created equal. Some are just a little more, achoo, than others.